Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Biscoff Muffins. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to take yourself a medium bowl and place in all of your wet ingredients. These include the double cream, your eggs, followed by the light brown sugar, then your whole milk and your melted butter. Then mix everything together until it's fully combined. You don't need to be careful of over mixing this, it's just mix until it's fully incorporated, then set aside until needed later on. So now you can go ahead and grab yourself a large mixing bowl and go ahead and place in your dry ingredient, which is your flour, your baking powder and cinnamon, followed by the Biscoff crumbs. Then mix together until they are combined. Then simply add the wet mix into the dry mix and whisk together until they are fully combined, being careful not to over mix the mixture, otherwise it will become tough textured and ruin the end result of the cake batter. Once your batter is done, you can go ahead and grab your tulip cases or muffin cases and pipe around about a third of the case full with the muffin mixture. Then top that with a generous amount of Biscoff spread. I'm using crunchy for some texture, but feel free to use smooth if that's all you've got to hand. It's really up to you. Then top that with more cake batter or muffin batter, and then you can go ahead and place them into your preheated oven and bake them off. All that information will be on the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. So once your muffins are baked and fully cooled, you should have something that looks a little like this. To finish them off, it's really simple. All you need to do is pipe a small amount of Biscoff spread on top. Putting it into a piping bag makes it easier, and top each of them with a Biscoff biscuit and you're done. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.